Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color wild animals. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I'll divide it into 6 small squares. I start to draw a cute lion head first. I start with his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. Then I draw his circle-shaped head with his 2 ears. Finally, I draw his furry hair like this around his head. Next to him, I draw a cute elephant. I start with his eyes, his long elephant nose. Then I draw the shape of his head with his 2 big elephant ears. Awesome! I'm going to draw a giraffe next. I start with his eyes, then I draw his nose and mouth. I draw the shape of his head. And his ears. Finally, I draw his circle giraffe patches onto his face. Onto the next row, I draw a monkey first. I start with his cute eyes, then his nose, and a big smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his face and head with 2 cute monkey ears. Next to him, I draw a zebra. I start with his eyes, his nose, and a mouth. Then I draw his head with his 2 ears and his hair. Finally, I draw his black zebra stripes like this. Last but not least, I draw a cute hippo. I start with his eyes and nose. Then I draw his smiling mouth. I draw the shape of his head and finally his 2 ears. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the lion first. Then I color his face and ears with this yellow marker. For the inner ears, I use a little pink. Finally, I color his hair orange. I'm going to color the skin of our cute elephant with this gray marker. For the giraffe skin, I'm going to use this shade of yellow marker. I use this cream marker here. I color his giraffe patches brown. I color the face of our cute monkey with cream marker. Then I use this brown marker for his furry skin. And finally, a little pink for the inner ears. I colored this part of our zebra with this cream. The rest of it we leave alone because zebras are white with black stripes. Finally, I color our cute hippo with 2 shades of purple. And finally, a little pink for the inner ears. Good job! Now let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.